What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Justin back with another video. Today I have the top sneakers for fall. Yes, I know y'all looking for, the sneakers to wear in the fall season. Every price range from the affordable to the a little expensive, from Jordans to Aces. We doing all the sneakers. This is what I picked out. Y'all, yeah, let me know if y'all like my, top picks that I said. Any shoes y'all recommend, anything, I know y'all can drop in the comment section below. But these are the ones I picked out. So, this is not like something you just have to get or have to obey my rules, whatever like that. It's just my opinion on the top sneakers for fall. So we're going to jump right into it. I always put in Air Force Ones. Now, Air Force Ones, y'all already know it's a white shoe. It can go in any outfit. Simple, easy, clean, all white forces. Like I said, I always throw them in my collection because you can never go wrong with any outfit. And that's go for jean outfit, a casual outfit, streetwear, anything. So them should already be in your collection, number one. But we're going to go with these shoes right here. The Aces Gel 1130. I love the neutral colors. We're gonna go neutral colors because of fall, you kind of want to match the vibe of the season. So try to find you some Aces. They don't have to just be the 1130s. They got all type of, types of Aces, and they don't break the bank. These like maybe under $100. So definitely get you a pair of Aces. They comfortable. Love the style of them. Y'all know these are trending, the Aces, and you just can't go wrong with them. Y'all know I had two pair. I had these and the pair right here, and they're dope. I love them. They're comfortable. You just can't go wrong with them. So Aces will be on the list on affordable. Now let's jump into the next sneakers. Because y'all already know I gotta go with the Jordan 1s. These are just released not too long ago, but the shattered backboards. I feel like this is a perfect fall shoe. Just on like the color speak for itself. The orange, and I just love the details of the Jordan 1s, and they popular right now. I mean, the Jordans, they've been popular, but they one of my favorite Jordans, so I'll definitely say Jordan 1s. They do have different colorways, of course, you can get, but mine is definitely the shadow backboards because Halloween coming up, and come on, the orange and white pumpkin, you get it, you already know. So Jordan 1 shadow backboards is definitely on my list. Since we on Jordans, and these are definitely still in the store right now, you can get your hands on them, is the Jordan 4 Cave Stones. I had to put the Jordan 4s in there because I know you can't go wrong with Jordan 4s. But, a lot of people, I guess they don't like them. But me, I still love them. You know what I'm saying? I love the color of them. You can do a lot with this shoe. I just feel like, personally. So if y'all haven't seen my review of this shoe, the outfits, I definitely check them out. And maybe it changed your mind for getting these. They still on the shelves. So go get you these shoes. They pretty dope. You can do a lot with them. Black. I feel like this is like a fall color shoe, so I definitely had this on the list of my fall sneakers. On Jordan 4s, I had to throw in the Undefeated. Now, I know these are probably going crazy online and everything, but I'm telling you, I just had to throw these in here. Like I said, I'm doing affordable. I'm doing all sneakers. So now, do I do any explaining? The green, the orange, the details of the shoe, just the story behind the shoe and everything. Dope shoe. Love this shoe. I wear this to this day, and this is definitely a top fall shoe, man. Look at this. Icy, clean, dope shoe, man. You can do a lot of outfits with them. You see I changed the shoelaces out with them. I ain't gonna do too much talking, but let's go ahead and jump into the next shoe I have is the Travis Scott Brown. The brown shoes right here. I forgot the official name of them, but yeah, the brown colorway right here. Now, these are dope. Now, I think these are pretty expensive too on like StockX and stuff, but this is definitely a dope fall shoe. Check out the details, the black, the brown. Like, come on now, you can't go wrong with Travis Scott shoes, period. We just got the fragments, and you can definitely put them out for the fall, but come on now, these are really the fall shoe right here. I love when he drop colorways like this, just like the reverse mochas and everything like that, but top shoe right here. So but that's all I have for y'all on the sneakers, top fall sneakers. Like I said, that's my list and my opinion. Y'all let me know in the comment section below what shoes y'all copping, what shoes y'all recommend. Just comments, y'all leave them in the description below. Thank y'all for viewing this video. Got more videos every week, so y'all stay tuned. More fall videos. Y'all know coming with the jackets, the baggy sweats, cargos, all that good stuff. So you don't want to miss out. You need your fall outfits. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button for me, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Peace. I'm out.